everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today let's do some makeup and get ready together. I'm sitting by the window side. It was very sunny a few seconds ago. I wanted to film under natural light. Of course, when I started recording, the sun is gone, so I brought the help of my ring light. Let's put on hair clips. My skin is finally clearing up from all the breakouts I've been having. Contact lenses, I'm going with green eyes today. I discovered contact lenses quite a few years ago, and back then I bought lenses that was blue, green and pink. I'm obsessed with the idea of changing my eye color. Even though I didn't need any prescription back then, my eyes had no problem. Oh, look, the sun's back! I bought contact lenses because I wanted to look like a different species. I wanted to get a different color. And then after I tried out all the eye colors, blue eyes, green eyes, grey eyes, pink eyes, and this kind of golden shimmering eyes, I stopped wearing contact lenses. And then this year I got back to it again. I have a prescription now, I wear glasses now. And you can get contact lenses with prescription. It's hard for me to do it on camera, it's just awkward like trying to get into the position. This one is from Moody. I'm not sure you can see the color clearly, the sunlight is blinding me. I bought a set of chocolate makeup puffs here. Let's try it out for the first time today. It was my first time ordering from them. Zhao Lusi, a really famous Chinese actress here, loves to do her makeup by herself, and she films sometimes in her videos. You see her on screen doing her makeup. And once she was using this chocolate makeup puff, and everyone recognized right away from this shop here. They sell their own unique designs of powder puffs, makeup brushes and stuff. So when netizens recognized it, this powder puff sold like crazy, over 70,000 times, and I jumped on the train and got myself a set. It comes with 6 chocolate toast shaped makeup puffs, all in different shapes and sizes and textures. Let me go wet it and we can do foundation with it. It's really soft. I haven't touched a makeup sponge that's so soft before. I'm going to do a simple look today using some of my favorite makeup products while talking to you guys. I haven't been able to do much makeup lately or film videos or edit videos. My skin was breaking out a lot and I was also busy with real life, hanging out with my friends. Guys, I've been really productive the last days. I went to play tennis or started learning to play tennis. Yesterday was my 4th time playing tennis in total. I wake up at 6:20 a.m, meet up with my friends, and we go play tennis at the tennis court at around 7:30. And then we play tennis for an hour and we move on with our day. We eat breakfast, hang out, do stuff together. It feels really good to wake up early, to do so much things, to be productive. And feels like 4 days have already passed by in the span of 2. We did so much yesterday. It's Saturday today, we can sleep in, and you know what? My body naturally wakes up at 6:16. I even took a screenshot because I was shocked at how the alarm wasn't on and I even wake up at that time by myself. My biology clock has changed. Now let's do eyebrows. You guys have heard me talking about the $3 E.L.F brow pencil many times. I don't like to spend much on brow pencils because I feel like they're all the same. My mom doesn't like to do makeup, but she loves drawing her eyebrows. My mom loves those wooden eyebrow pencils. You know which ones I mean? She used a wooden eyebrow pencil from Chanel before, but they discontinued it, so she's trying to find a new alternative wooden eyebrow pencil. If you guys know any brands that does a good wooden eyebrow pencil, let me know. I feel like most eyebrow pencils I see on the market are all those automated twist-up eyebrow pencils. I don't know why my mom loves the wooden one so much. Maybe it's the process of sharpening it like a regular pencil. Blush. If you guys are hearing kids' noises in the background, the neighbor's 3-year-old boy is coming over. He's super cute and he's so adorable. He loves to hang out with my family. So I'll go play with him after I'm done filming the video. Through all the flower nose blushes I've tried, this one here, the pink one, Siren Melody from the Moonlight Mermaid collection, is still my favorite. It's a 3-color gradient one. I like to use the top side with the lighter shades for under my eyes, brightening up the area, and then use these ones as a blush on my cheeks. I like how the highlighting part can be as light as I want it to be. The darker blush can be as dark as I want it to be. It will be as pink as I want it to be, so this is my favorite shade. Look at my skin under the sunlight, it's been pretty clear lately. The chocolate puff set also came with a little fluffy powder puff and a little cushion puff. I feel like with a lot of things, the smaller they are, the cuter they are. We went shopping with the neighbors, and when they get shoes for their little 3-year-old boy, the shoes are so cute. You know, the baby shoes that's so small, and you have a mini Jordan, mini Nike shoes. They're so much cuter than the big regular sized ones. I want to do a little bit of highlight. Blending it out. Look at the sunlight. This is a highlighter from Florasis. I won in a giveaway and I'm very grateful for that. It was a giveaway where you have to comment and tag 2 of your friends under their post. And they pick winners from the most liked comments, and I sent this to all my friends and told them to please like my comment. And I'm so grateful to have supportive friends who was liking my comment, hoping I would win. And I won this highlighter. I tried it and I really liked it, and it's hard to describe it because I can't say it's glittery and natural looking at the same time, but it's a natural looking glowy highlighter that's also glittery. Like, look at this. It looks like my skin is wet, kind of glowy, but then if you really look closely, it's pretty glittery. I think the glitter is really fine, that's why it looks so natural, but also the powder is just really good. It's really shiny and sparkling under all angles. It's getting a little bit too hot under the sun. Now for eyeshadow, that's one of the newest palettes I got from Flortte. It's so pretty! Flortte sent me this palette in PR, and I have said this many times before, but I'm really grateful to you guys to be able to receive PR, free makeup products, skincare products from brands. Is such a dream come true and such a privilege, and I wouldn't be achieving all of this if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you so much for watching my content, engaging with me, for all your kind words and compliments, and for watching my videos, for using my codes, and for all of this. I'm really grateful to have you guys, to have this community here. Let's put on some eyeshadow. I also noticed that other creators who receive PR from Flortte, they all have a bigger following than me. I wouldn't have come this far without you guys, and I'm really happy for that and really grateful for that. Also, when I just started wearing makeup and started doing makeup, learning to do makeup, I was really saving up money to buy makeup products. So I wouldn't even think of this day where I'll be receiving free makeup products from my favorite brands. So this is unbelievable, and I wish I could tell this to my younger self. She would think I'm lying to her. Lately, I haven't been able to do eye looks much because I'm always going out, but I don't have time to stay at home to spend half hour on myself just to do self-care, skincare, and put on makeup and just relax and do my makeup before going out. So before I go out, I just put on some concealer under my dark circles, put on a lip gloss, and then brush up my hair in a hurry and then leave the door. So I'm really glad to have time today to sit here and do my makeup and talk to you guys. I haven't had time to do eyeshadows lately, so today I just want to put on some eyeshadow, even though I'm not doing a creative look. I'm going to put on some shimmer. Why does the palette look so good under this lighting? Do I need to go? I can't sit in this position. Putting on some shimmer. My nails is a messy situation. I like to use my peel-off nail polishes because I'm a very indecisive person. Sometimes I like this nail color, sometimes I like that nail color. So whenever I want to change my color, I just peel off my nail polish and paint on them again. It's faster to remove than regular nail polish, so I've been loving it a lot. I also like to grow my nails out until they're really long and then paint them because I like the look of long nails, but I also don't like to press on fake nails and to put on those clear nails, and then paint on them. It just feels heavy on my finger, and there was once where I tried it on and I felt pain after a few hours, so I took it off again. Let me know what works for you guys. Do you like regular nail polish, peel-off nail polish, gel nail polish, or do you like to do your nails in a store? My friend loves to do her nails in a nail salon, and her nails always look super pretty. Sometimes she gets pearlescent ones, sometimes she gets stuff with decorations on it. Her nails looks really pretty, and she likes to change them about every 1 week or 1 week and a half. But I don't like how every time she wants to change her nails, she has to go back to the store and they have to book an appointment. Then they will use a mini drill to drill off her nail polish before they can paint on it again. I like to just have my nail color off whenever I want it, so peel off nail polishes are the best for me because I can just peel them off whenever I don't want them anymore. This is a mascara I've been using in all of my videos, just works the best for me. It makes my lashes look good, it holds up the curl, it's not that hard to remove. I've sent Clio emails before hoping to collaborating with them, maybe they could send me free mascara, but they didn't respond. So if in the future Palina ever received PR products from Clio or got to work with them, you guys would know it's a dream come true. Now let's do eyeliner. This is a new eyeliner from Flortte Butterfly Cloud Color Collection. It's strange to me because the eyeliner is super heavy, 3 times as heavy as my other eyeliners. This gives really good control to my shaky hands. You see? I wanted to say my hands aren't shaking, but you can still see this one shaking. I have really shaky hands. But this eyeliner gives me pretty good control. My hands are not shaking as much as with the other eyeliners. Let's put it on. Something I'm really proud of myself for is throughout the years I've built a really good relationship with myself. I've become more comfortable in my own skin and become more confident. Back then, I remember the time when I just started wearing makeup and started learning to do makeup. I realized I didn't like the features on my face. I didn't like my eyelids, I didn't like my eyes, this part that goes in, my dark circles, that I don't have an open inner corners, that I have small eyelid space. I felt like my nose was too big. I wish I had a smaller nose, fuller lips, and I just had all kinds of problems with myself. I wish I had blue eyes. I constantly wear contact lenses even though my eyes had no problems. I didn't need lenses at all. There was so much I wanted change about myself, whereas now I'm very comfortable with myself. I don't wish to look like other people. I don't wish to do surgeries or to look differently. Lately, I've been trying something new with my content. As you guys can see, I made some videos talking about insecurities, the effects of social media, toxic friendships, jealousy, and all that. I hope to share positive energy and give some advice to the young girls out there watching me who was like me in my teenage years, where I felt very uncomfortable in my own skin, where I was affected by social media without realizing it. So I hope I can help some of you, inspire some of you, and share some positive energy and keep you guys going and help you guys build a good relationship with yourself as well and do more than just makeup looks. Now let's put on a lip gloss and finish the look. Flortte Beauty sent me 3 of these lip glosses. Flortte is an affordable Chinese makeup brand. They're also into the super girly and cute aesthetics like Flower Nose are. They're a bit more affordable and they're also going more globally these years. I've tried their eyeliners before that were also very popular and they're pretty good. They sent me their lip glosses for the newest collection. It's my first time trying their lip piece and I really liked it. We have the shades 2, 5, and 7. I did swatches from them before and all 3 shades are super pretty. Let's do 5 today. It has a heart-shaped cushiony tip and the gloss comes out as you twist it up. It's such a pretty color. I really liked it partially because of the smell. It's nostalgic. It smells like the Hello Kitty makeup I had as a teenager. It wasn't kids makeup, it was an adults makeup brand who did a collaboration with Hello Kitty. So they had like an eyeshadow palette with olive shades inside I had, and I had a lipstick from them in a Barbie pink color. And the lipstick smelled exactly like this. They also gave me a discount code for you guys for 10% off on their site, and I set the code as Palina, same as Flower Nose. So if you guys are interested in Flortte Beauty, they have an official website and you can use my code Palina for 10% off. And this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. I really enjoy sitting here doing my makeup while talking to you guys. Even though I'm not doing something super crazy or creative, I still really enjoy talking to you guys and sharing what's going on. And if there's anything I want to say, I just say it out even though it can be random. Let me know what kind of content you want to see from me, and let me know if there's something you want to let me know in the comments down below. It can be anything, it can be random. I love reading your comments. So I will see you guys next time. Have a good day, take care of yourself and eat well. Bye!